Hello, my name is Dr. Lydia Valley and my company is LivLife Rejuvenation. In this episode, we are going to explain how healthy eating is done even when you go to a diner. Today, I chose to have a larger meal than I usually do. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so I will be having a lighter dinner. In this diner, we decided to have some grilled chicken, some saffron rice, and a little bit of tomato. I am a little bit gluten intolerant, so I won't be eating the Peters, though my friend may eat it for me. You can eat the yogurt sauce if you like. I'm going to stay away from dairy, and this is a healthy meal. Is it perfect? No. Did I make it? No. But it is the healthiest meal that I can choose here at the diner. If you like today's content, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more of these videos in the weeks to come.